were at Sonoma for the weekend and we planned to stop by Tomales Bay for oysters. We didn't end up going because of the weather, but we managed to get some fresh oyster from a local store. Bacteria such as Vibrio are found inside the oyster tissues rather than on the shell. But if I'm cooking seafood at home, I always take extra time to clean the outside. I'm not an expert of handling oysters, but I found it is less easy to break the shell if I stick the knife in from the very bottom. I rinse off the broken shell pieces from the oyster with salt water. I give a cut at the bottom of the meat to ensure the oyster is free from the shell. I have a very sensitive stomach, so I prefer to put some of the oyster on the grill. It also happened that Dungeness crabs were on sale at our local grocery store. Most of the time, I found much better price at the Asian grocery market than from Safeway or Whole Foods. The price could be as high as $13.99 per pound, but I have seen $4.99 or even $3.99 per pound when they are in season. Just like the oysters, I like to take the time to clean the outside of the crabs between the legs and the big claw. Next, I use the scissors to cut out all the parts that I don't eat and all the sharp edges. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and like. See you next time.